Okay, Lauren, thanks very much. It is 6:01 right now. Millions of doses of the first vaccine that prevents the coronavirus are being shipped across the country, including right here to Maryland. On Friday, the FDA authorized emergency use of Pfizer's version of the vaccine. And minutes later, shipments of it started flying out of the company's facility in Kalamazoo, Michigan. About 50,000 doses have been designated for the state of Maryland. They will be going into the arms of healthcare workers starting today. We have WMAR2 News' Megan Knight outside the University of Maryland Medical Center in downtown Baltimore. Megan, that hospital is ready with that special freezer that just arrived to store the vaccine coming in a few days ago.
Yeah, that's right, Christian. They want to be ready to go as soon as that vaccine comes inside the hospital here, which could be as early as today. And as you mentioned, they have that special freezer that came late last week, and they need that special freezer because Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine must be stored at very, very, very cold temperatures. We're talking about minus 94 degrees Fahrenheit. That's much colder than a normal freezer can get to. So that ultra cold freezer arrived here at the medical center late last week. More of them were delivered across the state. And a spokesperson for the medical center says once that vaccine does arrive here in Maryland, they will begin to vaccinate healthcare workers across the University of Maryland Medical System's 13 hospitals, which again they anticipate will start this week. Now, Governor Hogan says healthcare workers, as well as first responders and staff and residents at long-term care facilities, will be among the first to get vaccinated. The general population likely won't be getting the vaccine for a few more months, maybe in the springtime. Recent survey shows about a third of Americans say they will not get vaccinated, and the head of the FDA says work needs to be done to try to change that mindset.
We need to vaccinate a significant number of people in this country, including those who are hesitant. And we need to address their fears and concerns.
Now, in addition to the 50,000 vaccines coming from Pfizer, Maryland is slated to get about 100,000 vaccines from Moderna. It still needs to get approval, though, from the FDA, and that agency is planning to hold a hearing later this week to discuss whether to approve the emergency authorization use of Moderna's vaccine. That hearing is scheduled for Thursday. We're live in downtown Baltimore. Megan Knight, WMAR2 News.